Welcome to our presentation on rating process simulation programs. The International Association of Certified Practicing Engineers is a partnership of academics, practical engineers, and those striving to increase their knowledge and boost their career. The goal is to build an organization that would validate a candidate's engineering fundamentals, improve their individual skills, and enhance their networking ability. Today we're going to discuss rating process simulation programs. In the October 2017 Engineering Practice magazine, we published an article that rated different process simulation programs. Engineering Practice magazine is the official voice of the International Association of the Certified Practicing Engineers. There was a great team of 6 people that volunteered to rate each of the programs. This distinguished group volunteered to help us, and we're thankful to each one of them. We reviewed 9 different programs, and we invited the companies to participate in the review. Aspen HYSYS, ProMax, KMCAD, ProSim, ProTreat, Pro2, GPROMS, Unisim, and VMG Sim. We were honored that 5 of the companies chose to participate in the review. Their participation greatly improved the review. KMCAD, Pro2, Sim Central, GPROMS, VMG Sim all contributed. You should go to the website and read their contributions. We asked 10 questions, and they answered all 10 questions. You can find the magazine at iacpe.com/magazine. Look at the October 2017 issue. We chose 10 questions for each of the companies to answer. They gave some great answers. We also asked the team of volunteers to comment on each question and then rate each of the companies 1 to 10 stars for each of the questions. The volunteers were kept anonymous as to their answers and ratings. First question was ease of simulation software utilization. How easy is the program to use? To determine how easy it was to use, we simulated the same case to be solved by an advanced and intermediate user. The chosen case was a benzene toluene tower. Interactive or batch run program. There are 2 types of simulation software run styles. The first style is interactive, which solves each unit operation when the degrees of freedom are met. The second is a batch type program, which requires the user to input data and then start the program to run. Heat transfer limitations. Most simulations are mass transfer limited. How does your process simulation tool address heat transfer limitations as compared to mass transfer limitations? We wrote a paper called Design Guidelines for Ethylene Quench Towers, which explains heat transfer limitations. If you're trying to cool an incoming stream from a reactor, like in an ethylene quench tower, you become heat transfer limited instead of mass transfer limited. So how does your program address this? Natural gas processing polar solvents. How does your process simulation tool address amines, glycols, and other polar solvents? You need to have special VLE packages to address polar solvents. Recycle streams clamping. How does your process tool address recycle streams? Some programs have no clamping on the recycle streams, allowing them to cycle to very large numbers. Some programs have recycle models, and other programs allow any stream to be designated as a recycle stream and clamped. Equipment sizing interface. How does your process simulation tool address tray and packing ratings? How does your process simulation tool address heat exchangers? Does your tool build equipment data sheets? Best unique advantage. What is your best unit operation process? What is your best area of utilization? What is your best tool for the industry? What do your users think are the most valuable? Technical support and training. Some people provide free training videos, attend free training. Other groups charge for their training. How do you add value in technical support and training? Third-party applications. How does your software utilize third-party applications? There are many third-party applications for software. Excel is such an example. Graphical user interface. What does your graphical user interface? The ones that replied sent us a nice picture, and we put it in the article of their graphical user interface. We only rated the programs where at least 2 of the team members were able to rate the programs. We were able to rate Aspen, HiSys, ProMax, KimCAD, Pro2, and Unisim. The volunteers rated most of the companies similar in scoring, but some companies had advantages over the other. Aspen HiSys, their highest rated question was equipment sizing, how they handle equipment sizing. ProMax was gas processing, how they handle the polar components. KimCAD and Pro2 scored highly in technical support. Unisim scored highly in third-party applications. One category where there was a large difference was in the time to complete the simulation. Some were as much as 1/3 faster than the others. The ones that interactively solved were much faster. We encourage you to review the complete article. Feel free to review all of the magazines listed. There's 4 years of magazines listed, but the simulation review is in the October 2017 issue. iecpe.com/magazine. Our highest thanks go out to the companies that responded to the questionnaire and the reviewers that volunteered to assist in this technology review. All the best in your career and life.